Good morning, dear children. We were studying the chapter Snakes on the Loose, written by Nicholas Horsburgh. And dear children, we are going to study the story, the incident which took place in China. There, snakes were on loose. Some of the snakes were escaped from the illegal breeding laboratory and they were found in the toilets, in the kitchens, on the roads, and people were panicked. And the same incident was covered up by many news channels and they all gave the report in a different way. Here we can see 4 reports are given about the same incident of the same story. So we'll start today's class with report 1 and it's on page number 121. Dear children, all of you be ready with page number 121. Let us start the chapter. Report 1. 160 deadly cobras escape in China. Deadly means very dangerous, very poisonous. Cobras were escaped in China. Deadly cobras ended up in people's toilets, kitchens and roads in southwestern China after more than 160 of them escaped from an illegal breeding laboratory in early September, government officials said. The government officers gave the report that deadly means very poisonous. Cobras were found in people's toilets, in their kitchens and on the roads in southwestern China. After more than 160 of them escaped from illegal breeding laboratory in early September. Illegal breeding laboratory. Breeding means the process of reproduction. The laboratory, the lab where the process of reproduction is done. Clear? So it was illegal. It was not established by the government. These breeders did not take any license from the government. Unlawfully they were leading this laboratory and 160 cobras were escaped from there, were on loose. No one has been injured and the breeders and a team of snake professionals have since rounded up all but 5 or 6 of the snakes in the village of Shijiao, said the county official identified only Mr. Yan. The government official, Mr. Yan, said that after this mishap, no one is being injured. And these breeders and the team of snake professionals have since rounded up. These breeders and the team are able to catch 160 out of almost all 160, but still 5 or 6 snakes are not caught. Clear? Still they are on loose. Still these 5-6 snakes are opening, they are in open. Okay. The snakes didn't do much harm or cost the government much money, and they cost a lot to rise. So the government is giving the breeder a break. No fine, no arrest. Since these snakes did not do much harm and did not cost the government much money. Due to this mishap, government did not spend much money and people also did not get much harm. So, the government is giving them the break. What break? No fine, no arrest. These breeders, though they are running the illegal breeding laboratory, still government is not putting any fine on them. They are not being arrested by the government. What is the reason? Just transfer the cobras to a legal breeding laboratory in Guangxi in South China, the government told Kai Yong. Kai Yong is the name of the breeder. the head of this team is Cai Yong. The government said to Cai Yong to transfer all these snakes to the legal breeding laboratory. So, this laboratory is situated in Guangxi in southern China. Clear? So, these breeders were not fined, were not arrested. Only the condition the government kept in front of them was to transfer all these cobras to the legal breeding laboratory. So, this is the first report. Let's see the second report, what it says about the same incident. 160 cobras escaped from illegal lab in China. 160 snakes ran away from this illegal lab. Escaped cobras from an illegal breeding laboratory have been terrorizing residents of the southwestern Chinese town. These cobras which were escaped from the illegal breeding laboratory have been terrorizing residents, means they are spread in the residential area and people are in panic. They all are very much afraid. Around 160 of the highly venomous snakes have been accidentally released in Shijiao Township in Chongqing municipality, according to AFP. AFP is Asian Free Press. According to this press, it is said that out of 160, around 160 venomous snakes, means highly poisonous snakes, have been accidentally released from that laboratory in Shijiao Township. The name of the township is Shijiao and it is in Chongqing municipality. It comes under Chongqing municipality area. The other day, Zhang Irfan had just gone into the toilet when we heard a loud scream and she came running out after seeing a cobra inside. AFP reported, quoting Information Times, a Chinese newspaper. AFP, Asian Free Press, reported, quoting Information Times. The Information Times is Chinese newspaper. Clear? According to that, the other day, Zhang Irfan is the name of a person, name of a lady who was using the toilet, and people heard her screaming, shouting inside the toilet, and she just came running out when she saw the cobra inside the toilet. The cobras have been found in outdoor toilets, in people's kitchens and on the streets. These cobras were found in the kitchens, in the toilets and on the streets, on the roads. A man named Cai Yong admitted the regime officials that he had been breeding around 1,900 cobras in an abandoned schoolhouse. Regime means the government, the form of government. Regime officials means the government officers. Okay, abandoned means which is not in use. Abandoned schoolhouse means the school building which was not in use. So, a man named Cai Yong is the name of the breeder. Okay, he admitted in front of the officials, government officials, that he had been breeding around 1,900 cobras in an abandoned schoolhouse. He was running his illegal breeding laboratory inside one abandoned schoolhouse, and there were approx 1,900 cobras. Most of the 160 cobras have been killed or captured, but 5 or 6 are still on the loose. 160 snakes were escaped from that illegal breeding laboratory, and most of the snakes were either captured or killed. Captured means they were caught. Okay, either they were caught or they were killed, but still 5 to 6 snakes were on loose. CNN reports that no one was injured in the scare and the breeder will not be arrested, penalized or fined for the mishap. CNN, the news channel, reported that no one is injured in this incident, in this mishap, and the breeders will not be arrested, they will not be fined for this mishappening. I hope these two reports are clear to you. Dear children, in the next class we will study about the report number 3 and report number 4. Thank you.